Hello my friends, today I'm gonna show you something. We all have this WD-40 Q20 penetrating oil to use at home, but there's this little plastic pipe comes here in the lid because it's too long, and when you want to use it, you just pull it and you push it in there and a nozzle. But most of the time you want to use it, the little pipe is missing. Nobody knows where is it, because once there's oil in there, it tends to fall out. Now, you get different types. This is another type of oil. This is a silicone. Uh, this one looks a little bit better. There is look, the nozzle looks different. Then this one just pushed in there. There's a little better design, so it lasts better. But the same thing, you have to take it out and put it somewhere to put the lid on. But I somewhat make a little hole inside the lid here, and then just push it through there, and then you just hook it in there. If you want to use this spray nozzle, I put some press stick on there, keep it there. Next time, if I don't want to use this, I want to use this, then they're all available. Okay, but the best plan is what I normally do. The moment you get it, while it's still new, you plug it in, and then you just measure the length and you cut it off, so the lid can still be on inside there. But then you put a glue or super glue or something. But what's nice is I found this glue gun of a hot melt glue. This is a nice black color, or any color. Then here's the normal size, the thicker one. But you just go and this is a glass blowtorch. I normally just use it. I just heat it up. And then I'm just gonna put it on that nozzle. This is nice black color. It looks like plastic, black plastic. It's actually quite nice. Then you just heat it up like this, and then you just go and you wipe it there on that little thing, and that thing is there forever. It won't come off again. Okay, and then it's always available as a nozzle. Then you can also tuck it away, and that's it. So if you always looking for your nozzle, this is a way to keep it there for always. Okay, hope you enjoy and it will be helpful for you. Till next time, cheers.